So the difference between AUS-ION, wrought iron and noni stainless steel, why did we choose two totally different materials? The reason is it is horses for courses. Every kitchen really needs a mix of both, simply because, sure, wrought iron seasoned will be the best for non-stick with high temperature cooking with fats and oils, etc. And you can build up that non-toxic seasoning for natural non-stick that will last forever. But it suffers a bit with acidic sauces and slow cooking, liquids, etc. And you'll need to do a bit of extra maintenance, but totally recoverable, just a bit of maintenance. But our noni stainless steel cooks a lot like iron, but zero maintenance. That's the easiest way to put it. You can just cook on it, sear on it, and we can show you how to make it non-stick. But then you scrape it out, scrub it out with a coarse scourer if you want, throw it in the dishwasher, and that's all the maintenance. It's just like all your other stainless steel, just more conductive, higher performance, and also cooks like iron.